how to make money. Discover the secrets to financial stability and wealth creation with our expert-proven strategies, empowering you to transform your financial future. Learn to navigate the labyrinth of financial independence with our actionable steps, designed to break down complex money matters into understandable concepts. Take control of your finances with our comprehensive guide, giving you the tools to master money management and secure your financial future. Explore the hidden potentials in the investment world. Our guide provides you with precise knowledge to identify and seize profitable investment opportunities. Cultivate additional income sources with our guide, designed to help you identify, create, and nurture profitable revenue streams beyond your primary earnings. Shift your perspective on wealth with our guide, training you to develop a prosperity-focused mindset crucial for financial success and stability. Discover how to overcome financial hurdles with our guide, offering effective strategies for managing debt and maintaining a healthy financial equilibrium. Maximize your savings with our guide, providing practical tips to grow your wealth steadily, ensuring a financially secure and stress-free future. Gain assurance in your investment decisions with our guide, equipping you with the knowledge to confidently navigate the unpredictable investment landscape. Enhance your understanding of financial principles with our guide, empowering you to make informed decisions for personal financial growth and stability. With our guide, you can unlock the potential of your wealth, fortifying your financial future with insightful advice and smart investment strategies. Our guide is your roadmap to financial freedom, offering valuable insights and proven strategies that help you secure your wealth for the long haul. Harness the power of strategic financial planning with our guide, enabling you to transform potential wealth into tangible, lasting prosperity.